Woo. Where was that? Hey, there's your funnel right there, look. Yep, look at that. Hey, you see it? Oh my gosh, we can't take him anywhere. Recondense for the vertical.
It did it.
Yep.
That was a tornado.
I need to do it again. I need it to plant again for a vertical video. Oh, that'll work. Oh, the inflow, dude. Oh my god. Oh, it's ripping. Oh, it's in my teeth. Step over here, get away from the gravel. Oh, never mind, look at that. Oh, shit. Get in. Watch your eyes. It's in my eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, there's two. Look.
We got twins.
Oh my god. Look at that. No, it's one, dude. Look at it. It's orbiting. Yeah, it's orbiting. There's that. That's more. I think that's a satellite, dude. Oh, my bad. You're good. That's a satellite. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at it go. Dude, look at it moving to the left.
Wow.
Look at. Yo, we're gonna watch this thing occlude here pretty soon. Yeah, it's deviating. Oh my gosh. This might be the best moment of my life right now. Oh my gosh. Look at the vortices underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing lifts before it goes into Braman, though. It's not moving, though, dude. It's just sitting there. It's very just stationary. It's actually kind of moving this direction. Pretty sure it did a full loop. Oh, it's a news chopper. There's Daniel Shaw.
That helicopter's gonna get sucked in. Dang, that's pretty cool. This is the best one you've seen so far?
This is top number 4.
Really?
Oh yeah, 100%, dude.
Oh, my God. It's like right there. Hey, Winter Hunter. Hey.
Dude, the time lapse we're about to get over.
Really?
Yeah.
I saw.
Look at the bottom of
I
it.
saw two.
Yeah, dude, yeah, it was a satellite orbiting around.
Yeah, I saw that.
You want to get closer? Well, no, we're probably good here.
Yeah, dude, because look, it hasn't even moved. It hasn't moved. I'm pretty sure it actually did a loop. It's not going back to the west, and then now it's actually kind of coming back this way. I think it did an entire loop, and it's just sitting there. It's completely stationary.
Yeah, it's not moving.
Yeah, it's in the same spot. It's hovering.
Look every corner.
There it is.
There it is.
Give me some pictures. We got plenty of video.
Well, April 23rd. My first tornado.
Hey, not bad for my first, huh?
Oh, dude. You know? I'm like, hey, I guess I'm popped, you know?
My first was like 8 miles away at night.
Hey, does this make me maybe like initiated a little bit?
You know, I'd say.
Yeah, why not, right? I mean, not bad for the first.
Oh my gosh, it's about to get snowpipes. And it's just sitting there.
Yeah.
And it hasn't hit anything yet either. No, it's no. So there's that the clear slot there. You see that clear slot?
Oh, I got
So
TikTok live.
It's not coming towards us, is it?
No, I mean it is. I think it's moving, but where the clear slot is, we don't have to like. The method is still moving east.
Yeah.
This thing is just, yeah, it's just sitting there. I think it did a whole loop.
All right. We are live out here in Kansas. Tornado, big tornado. Big tornado here in what? Border of Oklahoma.
Yep. West of Blackwell.
It's a big one too.
Oh, it's getting big, dude. Oh, dude, it's freaking, it's a stovepipe.
That thing is big.
Hey, oh my gosh, didn't I tell you if this thing nudges it, it's gonna try to do something? Yeah, it's fun. It's starting to move east more now.
There's no telling.
Don't know. Can't know. I mean, right now I haven't seen any sort of debris other than dirt go up. So right now it's probably EF0.
Oh, there's
But it's strong though. It's 100% strong tornado. Starting to get a lot more rain wrapped. Ow. Say, do you want to get closer?
No.
Now that we're, I mean, it'd be safe to get a little closer. We can definitely get a little closer, and it's starting to get wrapped in rain. As long as we don't get under where that clear slot is, we're good. Yeah. It can't come past that.
Oh no.
So,
Yeah, I just don't want that southeast return.
yeah, but also, I mean, but even if it moves the storm moves slightly southeast, it's still gonna. Maybe we can wait till it's just almost to the road, and then we can go up on it.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I'm down to get closer to this thing. I've stayed back. This is actually like 100% the best footage I've ever gotten because it's the closest I've been to a highly visible tornado. Yeah. And it's a strong one. Strong one. That. It's strong. Wow. Yeah, we could literally come right up on it, dude.
This is insane.
Oh no, I'm taking this off. Back on. Glad we picked this target. Glad we didn't listen to Andrew.
Right?
Do the south.
There it goes again. How many has it dropped? That's
No, it's the same one. It's the same
lifted.
one. It's been down. It's just it hasn't been condensed, but it's been down, dude. It's the same tornado.
Wow.
Yeah, and it hasn't, dude. It sat there for like what 5 minutes more, maybe more, and it's been on the ground for at least 10 at this point.
Let's drive right into it.
Dude, look at. Oh my gosh. I think it's nuts. Oh, but you get out of the road, dude.
It's just like playing Twisted on road lines.
Right? Dude, look at the stovepipe, man.
It's crossing the road.
Yeah, it is.
Let's get up there.
Yeah, we can keep going.
Let's gun it.
Window up. Dude, look at the horizontal vortice.
Wow. We're gonna need a
East road
option.
Yeah. We can go up